You need 4x5 or 8x10 film holder, masking tape, machine that cuts metal. You can also use jigsaw or bandsaw. Then you need a file, some glue, pliers, and a wire. Ideally you should be using 99% silver wire, but I've been using this one for a long time with dry plates and haven't had any problems with it. Then you also need a pencil and a drill bit, and of course glass dry plate. You will start by marking the plate size. Help yourself with some masking tape and the plate you would like to be using. Position the glass plate on the center of the film holder so you'll be able to install wire supports later on. Through this tutorial I'm using 8x10 cm glass plate. Now that you have marked the area, it's time to cut it out. Before you start, please put on some safety glasses. You will see why later. I will be using rotary machine with some cutting discs. There is no turning back, just go slow and be precise. This is what safety glasses are for. When you're done, the cutout piece should pop right out. Now you can remove the masking tape. After cutting, edges are sharp, so file or sand them down until smooth. Just be careful not to overdo it or the frame will be too big. Before moving on, clean the working surface and wipe film holder with some rubbing alcohol. To install the wire supports, you need to drill some holes. Start by marking 2 drill spots in each of the corners. Keep an eye on the angle so the wire will run far enough from the corner to support the plate. Now you can start drilling. To install wire supports, you need some wire, of course, pliers, 2-component glue, and something to mix. If you can, also use 99% silver wire. Cut the wire into 4 strips. With the help of pliers, make a U-shape and push it through the holes. On the other side, bend the wire flat along the edge of the cutout. If this tutorial is moving too fast at any point, just pause it and go back to the segments you need to replay, or check out my blog in the link below. Wire supports are in place now, so you can start gluing them down. I am using 2-component glue for this purpose. If you want, you can also paint the exposed metal edge with some nail polish to protect it from silver nitrate. Now you just have to let it dry overnight and you're ready to load your first plate. Get everything ready, also the plastic spring that I cut out from the soda bottle. Insert the front slide and place the plate emulsion down on the wire supports. Place the plastic spring on top and close it with the dark slide. After the exposure, you would open the back slide, set the spring aside, support the plate with your fingers and turn the film holder around. Now you have removed the plate from the film holder and you can start developing.